mpanimfo a yɛhyia hei ɛne wa toto yani yɛnyina yɛ onim deɛ na yɛnyina kasa wie a ɛho nsunsuanso ɛne fapem bɛn ne benya ɛwɔ saa ɔha yi so anaasɛ ɛnyɛ ne sɛ ɛyɛ dwabɔ yɛakasa wie oka no wa yitie no wa na yɛde gya wa ne yɛde aso a I'm happy say abusuapani say adeɛ no sɛ ɔhwɛ story na baby a free ba over the years per 5 years ni so it's not about one regime but it's about the civil servants there and of course the appointees and I just add it here any solution ben and I say aban not to so ye digya ne ye digya ne ye so especially research and it dia be na modi gum and I say emra me en kan is na but media no atu on man no busa say adwuma bia no aha ma me fa anya example more structures any near ma a guide them into all my farm adwuma no our revenue mobilization or district assemblies no one structure be no me adwuma occasionally do they engage them to find out their concerns challenges are facing no MMDCs no and whoever is in charge no do they meet them because nipa no form so many adwuma patrodemic consult say because more way periodically and also occasionally and now once a while muchia no more take stock kind credit to Socrates or say life on examine is not worth living and into almost say when we say these are the challenges yeah amasa cumulative effect and then abeto say and discuss yana and so ade ba ko a o say hwe wono na yembusa pa say dia ba nsunsuaso ba pa what are the main causes because we are here kan nyina no what are the root causes say yentimi anya de fapem ani nyentra ede ba no a ebe hadwen and into no we will just suggest to them in say UTV so it's about time wo mom ye in charge no wo mom hwe the root cause but as well any dance ni twasem ni bi dance if not anything at all cry na yes on bota any say wo mom nyigiska ananya sa na tie and in panimfo no so omoto no eyenhwe ha ana say eye de ben ana sania me nua suggest ye ni say e bi a leakage bi wom ana wo di afa wo de eno so wo mom hwe honom e ma yehunu because the minim e won kan ha eni me kumase eni mia me tu kwa akuru bia no on a daily basis yenim so mkuta ticket o moje ye rakufu adokura na jamabro hunu oba ya kai fo to wo yi free wo mkura no mutua akura hye na chi dendende ni ayere no tua wo de enti sada bia ye pia bonti sisi ya wo mugu soje ana me bo ana enti sika no me de ko hin so it could also be probably say leakage ka ho but it cannot be the main. We have other factors. A beer baby also widen or tentacle to cover the tax so no component no and so any honor. Also so young ye. Name way na aba ye can ye. The kakra made better as soon as they say. Where would your modi? Ebi no de omunya bi kra. So here ni anom nad mofo or mo bre. Yeah. Ever since I buy nad mofo or mo sikasem enye to mampani sa wonte ya serewa ya kanti da dia ba ko wa manofo ye ho ne se ye wa ban mu a the praise singer say this wa ban mu a opani ebe praise singer but beyond party level no you should think say your mind dey ye ho adwuma but I'm saying say nadmofo o twa na ni hwe ho de to so mienu ye why yefo no so no o mu super why yefo no and near be the judge any more police for any ade wo mu su oban ma me de minya daje ko omo ho and there are so many areas here adwumasem say ye tua omo ka no wa ye adwuma na wie bosom ya so ye tua ne ka bababo kan pefe ye no me kra say odwumayefo a adwuma wura ofa odwumani opafo sika babo kan ho asem nipa ne brede amemrenfe me bi di nkomo me say o baby e wonu koka say enya e be yi wadi nti aye di na msin tu for 1 year almost 2 years ye ntua oka enti ya kan we say no ye di ebenkum kire wo mo adi enye uni pa bi local government any aban and 10 no an woman ye because you cover over 20 million piamuka. Now mo cover say no the bread 10 million dia 10.26. No they acquire nearby. Double. But ye can na ye dey betuma kire ya dwen. But when you back as the bus talks with the government and the appointees, it's about time they met. No more the strategy because it's becoming one too many and it's becoming one of the cultural of Ghanaians. By ya kika ya asoni refi. But we know omo pepe bi ye. Mama fancy ya. Mama
da wase doc ebebe na ye share someone Dr. Richard Fiadomo or no ye president Emma Chamber for Local Governance. A civil society organization or chim no ka say share a weak incentives ni be say. For instance, one more collectors no in their minds no omo feel say omo nye direct beneficiaries of enyema omo ekojeje and ye nche dan set tax bi ana say limit bi emfama womo. Let's assume say okojeje sika say na at the end maybe ubenya mfaso bi say at even bankers ye mo target nti wo hit here bonuses no ne ade ebeba bibisa ne timi encourage wo mo nti unipa no I reluctant because at the end of the day no and I say at the end of the month no dia kakra minya no a sa ketua na mo de ma nti nya de say me baba be come ho and again was suggested say ye ma private sectors ni bi and money di eche o mo jeje ne ya started target bi dia mo a oni say me mitia you be renew the contract with them say obey ne more no nya eso mfaso na waye and work say to say them benfo mi no kai this is not the first time I be see it's the idea say be a central government na pay attention to that and to that no mo ye ya Kenya necessary 2021 to 2025 the ACC.
Yes, I'm me da say no venture me na wo kan na ne ene media nam pepepe ne ye performance indicators. As I say, you should
some
KPIs be Emma all the metropolitan, municipal and district assemblies no. And even all government agencies. And no na yenye. Into one say the be American who are man be CEO of a particular agency. The only team one power na wenya no. Na e be kwa oni obi ewo eyikaka bi oda kwoti tane na so. Eni sika eni ahonyade a obeye de obenya free. Ohwe nipa no ne time a odo be this office no say odi 3 years odi 4 years whatever no wie na busa no say dwuma pote ben no ye boa ma o man ko so a obetoto apapa so wa ena ne o ye ni na no so obi ani ho a ya hyeda ma say okay this is the yardstick I dey measure na utimi emiti a obeto awadwuma so ya na very political into we na fund ye na appoint no MC no abetena so now yenhwe enyoma yenumyensa bia me pese ye hye nanso ebi okwa na municipal assembly ho no enkofu ye ka say ya fa omu yi no one obehero na eye more than necessary obi on qualify in the first place ya fa no apart from that no space kwani ho a omo be dey mo betra na ajajo mahome and so party politics na the way support me way say obon say ya ye overstaffing now oma ye obehye nipa miensa na nkwa momo eye target ni ade na momo the incentive no mo de akwabonten no ma ye adwuma say the senefata wanye ne sa wa fa bi nipa 10 because nipa 7 na eguso ni nyina no ebi omo ye o party members ni ade na o de o ma begum automatically no why increase the payroll because in nipa 7 3 pe and 4 ebitima ye adwuma no ama na ye kama and wa fa nipa 10 or more
10 or more there we expect revenue mobilization
but say exactly but enam say e kwan kwa ye fa so afanko for no ene ye criteria ye use no is nothing to write home about enye papa in the first place questionable inti ho no ya bloati even the numbers no and ye spending unduly on them ye dey no to nchen there is a systematic syndrome war some of these municipal assemblies no ebi mo no aye kabala omo ekwa bonten kodi diska na the system works in such a way that oba no wa be sales na ne onya no obi no enya na share wom. Apart from that, obi won so okwa ono okọ negotiate o. Aha, yes o ma meje polo ana tekwa na asempo as tax. Oba ono no negotiate na wanya ne share na o de ahye ne botom. Onso na wo ka say ebu o sika credit mo musa. Incentive ni nyina no ebe lead to that motivation say oh mame nso memfa kwati kwan bi so na menya me ho na onipa no kwa abonten na nka se ebia asomasi na obenten etua 10,000 Ghana cedi na wono no 2,000 bi e dey amane nti no onipa no will end up paying let's say 5,000. Yes, aban no na say municipal assembly na dey aboka. That is one another thing. Na ne to so bi emu no so ne say o say systems na ye use no o ka say Frank na Baafi ana say abesha panyin kwa out there no nko di scan na unhye de ni proper surveillance system a enipa no the probability say okwa abonten a ye be manipulating no high sika no kwa woje no senka o say omo ye minim say motor stories a mobile bankers omo first they from susu collectors o to bi ngo abonten omo kodi susu no omo kodi sika no akodi we dey 20 nipa no book mu atwere ba sika na ma ma medu institution ho sa ena institutions bi no make sure so be introduce some digital platform bia ene nipa na de ma wona no krona aye de abeto na account mu enti wo no de wo books ni ma wo de wa abonten ho ene ne we ho ni na ebe de ebe pe ana se nipa no realize oh mama asmesi 10 cedi but minya alert biya na say definitely e ho no nipa no to be there ebededi but when nyam ye ni any proper surveillance system nipa no kwa abonte no ko gina bi obi okwa na wa ye no family and friends affair nti okobon komo ne ade o we ne okay de muntua 2 cedi me wa na bi esen komutua ba 200 Ghana cedi oh when na monitor no na ye de no to nchen ya at the national level no enkofo bebre no mo form hu di o tax kofo bebre ye onyuma no obenika na SME small and medium scale enterprises do na no entia tax and apart from that no unse nkrase ne nkron kitenkitin mu enyuma e wo ho no be ye ebia nsa enyuma tailor fo bi ye hairdresser ni bi ni ade sankofo we na ye nya proper taxing system for them obi no ebe ye adwuma 1 year kra na ebia wontua kapre me wan so na adwuma no fiscal structure enya invisible utimi say we barbering shop we wa we say wa eno no say ya me ni amre ho na ya hwe ne say okay asumasi wa ha ye o ye adwuma nti da bia na hwe say sa o ye even record keeping kra no ya another issue edobe ha nipa no bonus say mu na 2 cedi 1 cedi na no nako how are we ensuring say obia na oye bibia generate income bia no ebetimi atua tax ye de no to nchen a ni payment na nkasa no a mode of payment no so no issue I say o man here a bit difficult for obi to pay his or her tax. The other consequences no say tax evasion betimi abam and I say obe ebi ade enka so otua no onye de ontua ne sa onse na nsen a GR for introduce o modegeta here you need not to go to home office and sign with me I some basic things generally no it is faring well
okay
so ebuama yetimi increase in revenue generation na eno so unse nke ade anka MDCs ni ade no komotimi generate more at their level nka they will be able to do a lot of projects at their level and come and resort to the national office at least on the background na just support intimi hese aban no and tax all these municipal, metropolitan, municipal, and then district assemblies. Almost some key performance indicators are almost MET. Now you fair no measure. Ubet me at 12 so as this year. You share 1 year no then out me here. Me I say okay revenue generation. Say now here there. Oh yeah. Even human relation. In fact, a lot of indicators should come together. Ni emphasize ni pano. Ni say oye party member ntino on now. Obu ha ne life e wedi ho nyina no omano e ka ne yebo onfamfa so bi anye dey embre ebi a party na benefit but omano should be the main focus. Na emwana bi inji o yese ebi a generate sika at the local level na ke dey boy ho bra eno man ketenkete ni bi ho ha ye ebi a traffic light kakra bi asay gata ketwa bi ene say ene etie dey e ade abana to so bi ma me kanam dey asi no ene say me susu say yenye bibi a ye friend no community government partnership. Intinke ba se tesano community community na timi boaboa no ho at the yobi ho to some level the project no government because o ma timi aboa o mo say yenya aboa yenya cement ni ade enti aban say na ebe hia de support no yem in push something like that so that all the various towns ni ade no o mo be boa o ho titono na ye manto ni ade timi de boa o man na nkasa development okomekoma jiso onya ta quota o mdin kan guye no enya ba na ye de guma mo esikafo na na jeji sika ne o manfo na nti moma yen hwe sa angle no so no ebe boa me etimi generate more revenue.
Okay, matse me da sepa e buzofo yen to aso yasame to aso ba wo me to JM put the tribunal bill on ice. Me sha say e dey free of fire on honum enra
the home head presidential term limit no yet number 2.
And see, oh, that's I mean that 3 a year you can now. I don't know over several cousins and all the about wash a show in some dada.
Oh, never she means it.
That's how they send the amount.
You may transfer but
you no, presidential limit.
Presidential Yoruba umia yeso opening train
fee presidential term.
Oh there other room. Una tiagam.
Ohio.
Yes, the law is in the bosom of the judge.
It's in the museum of discretion.
Yoruba umia opening train fee must be amfo. Na san obekasa no so no. Trade Union Congress the first will come out so my penny on prene ho. You can say a software or do no aso beba bontin. Christian Council, Pentecostal lay, Catholic Bishop, SD4, any Islamic amra. Because I deal we a ye busudie, a ye chiwadie, a ye beye, ye bodia, na edisum abehata wiem, yen sasi a bossubiem, Tribunal. Hey! Messi Abusha Penny will you clapping me. Ninia, the Bushani Pani Okufu, he was given less than 20 minutes for trial. One way kunkum woman, Obu a man 5 minutes. As same way, Emra Attorney General, a court na vetting committee in work and one is well go say, hey, let me show by him. Now the jury system no me dey beka ho kra no say, one day you are going through the legal system, so you have insight. But Canadian said the city the issues and so on. And one say yakore Brabetnem party for near Betnem. Adomako be fina no odin omoka Tribunal mo then they guide the judge here makotum. Intin kofu wuye according to Kwesi Pratmipa in Ghanaian Insight. Over 300 people were killed. So we share a writer we say Death and Pain by Michael J. I'm sorry I didn't bring the book today. Next week in the Barbechero, or listed region by region. Infamous Tribunal. Yes, I could cry. MPP buy-in was there. The idea we say, you know, near Tribunal and San Ruho. See the baby young Cabo Monteno, young Kofa National Reconciliation. I don't know DNC ho because I know no ma nanka nipa wo mutrim. Ah, kwabra Japan akwada ukokum ni papa ya. What you say? I was so that table into nom ukum woman. That come man be ye. Come man in cat. And there will be a celebrity a champion. A champion was great because now you're closer to Buzia. It will near the blueprint from Buzia. Operation Feed Yourself. Any low cost estate near the Adi. Remember
you read the articles now. 126 and 142. That was 1992 Constitution. Existed. The only thing I say, the Constitution mandate to say to me, I establish, you know, the tribunals.
They say Constitution there again. Now me back to the next point. Look, Professor Mills, the committee or TE.
Yeah. The
recommendation
was say we don't need.
Was we don't need.
Yeah.
And I will buy. And think I'll buy and so Professor Mespa you should have followed it. What do you fear no 20?
No, said that I know. Or
yeah. At the committee yes I buy. They have also said emphasis here the bar. Now you want me then.
It's true.
It have read the constitution. It may get there. I progress from one state to another. The 2 a year NDC for now and create and say you don't need it because it invokes the memory of pain. Obahima inyankaba maimu emisia bomaimu emkrabia say because of the tribunal. In any case, your institutions may bring no do no here. No here. You need your ho. And I need the other say other institutions no.
But Attorney General say there's a backlogs, 3,360 new backlogs annually.
Legal system where entrance to the law, more beam. We need more lawyers. We need more institutions. What they saying? We
judges.
Need judges, and we need more offices. Akufuado, fortunately, under the then Chief Justice, is it Sophia Akufu? Yes, you see, maybe unprecedented. It is civica na young qualified judges. Na fair dia kofa party chairman bia ono owo ayensuano. Ana se bia owo benchmark. Ya na betna ho
non-legal, practitioners. They no just
asem we say no kra no Bible say Bible quotation back was say eno do ho. Ensase ya betna say na according to na the ya bususem. Omo dia dini penya ya dia wian krofo niema. Tribunal. Mama on pen this year. They say map Rollins obe won kram ye sure so no ne wo say rade fa che me. Because na ni se bi butietia tribunal na ba ye no. Ebi fa ho ye de on be ye ba no ya branch ye. Ebi fa na fa na chi. Na ka ba bia wiabo. Hwe enema mienu. Kofo MPP ye the National Reconciliation by send e be ya to placate or mollify people's anger. Na de nkabomu aba. And then you are bringing it back. Kofo Ekufuado and MPP, they brought the repeal of the criminal labor law. Said you be a bit much than again. Sa law no, na colonial times in ana oho no mo. But you be no be the year juma. You buy ni say nyim free ho. And na what's adiaba? And the permit NDC near branch ba ko so year campaign. And work catch Ramama say open year campaign no. Na ya brain kura say no be say. Eniama send the siko ade chin yeso no so akoche no mo bu ya bra yisun enti 24 hour economy ni de obi God saying tribunal asem no de obahima ensese ba ye trim kra nipa odidi no mkwan say ene ye betena se but the chance me di wie no look come in Nkrumah time me na me ni ho but I've read a lot about emra mo pass Prevention Detention Act no J Brahma na ba ko PKK kwedu emso no ye kwani. They stood against it. No, we NDC for, we CPP for. They stood against it. Say, hey, mo tia me brebe krobodi semwe ni age. Emra edi be na Prevention Detention Act ni age. Nkrumah ya ade ni ade ajam de be. Mo nhwe ni ye na beto mo. Ewi ase no. Ruling government CPP crofo no. Dodo no aso kodem. Enenu from so as a Ghana for aye ni say. Yemmo NDC yan sure am nko wuom no de yakonkwanu a ya to abama mo abato eto ya no mfaso ni se ya wie di akoto bekum ma
okay
na me bitu e me medicine no akofa tribunal manuals ayi na de chi na mi wura kwaje ni chekuri high no se akwa mu fa no kotumu a does it make sense
okay
and se na ni bia so ayabusu sama bayisam eni pe wu ya no ensese ya ka na obi a wadwene da ho no na de abufu ama ho enye
medas
na me saka wo mo
amen
that time
abusa panyi na me ma unse misumeka say eye fesi no misumi si amen asembe
mo udi emeka
mega say ye fire fesi afemi si amen semo abusa panyi me too
yo anti abena me da se pa awo fire wa kikanzi mbi wa ese me relax kakra yes because the kan na do and say TUC akasa he was also calling for other religious bodies to also voice out. Na yenti wonka. Ye wo mangimu TUC ebra bill equal parliament. Na wo gazette na equal committee na TUC way. The very day I almost pass a bill no and some TUC yet wonka. Me ya wo beka say I don't want to say it here.
And the BB will be a question what you someone.
No, nipa no influencing one abegu won any mass because bill equal parliament. Neko committee and many one day asem. They gazetted it on I think 26 June. 26 June. For deliberation a prime a move saying a committee no. Committee no mo na so na am say who are winning mo ndin po say constitutional and legal affairs and judicial committee. Bon wo ye woni oni po che ni MPP ni. Ranking or that's your president MPP nti me won ase MPP baby a sa nyenyenye a won abon efi o philosopher so wo meka bi enyo so for president moderator no ka kire na meku fado say legacy back wo betumi jama no so you are sent to the LGBT bill no you should send to it. Many legacy of the Ghana mind was he able to do that? And Akufo-Addo did not even respond to him. You know, to be fair, almost Makasa. I am for a day in the Islamic community anchor. You see, the person maybe say, "Sa Tribunal, a constitution, and I am ready if you baby I have na bramba jobe to me answer me Tribunal na ye kam wansem say ye kakai na mmiri bi a kire nkrofo a kire general kufu a ne fi the same region ni ye fi akuapem a kire nti ye musubo nti ba won fa mbabiem ema mini ya okan ya akoka say NDC fukura no wode won ba betena Tribunal na no ipam chowe tefu amutie me me asa o mane kwanga nka menye lawyer na me pese constitution no me kan ade bi fi article 126 me kan 3 ipe na article 126 no 1 o say the judiciary shall consist of etefu ntie ne wo fa ya say NDC fo ene ye kwakofo won ye do ngaba be ye Tribunal fo che tie. The judiciary shall consist of the Superior Court of Judicature, comprising I, the Supreme Court, I, the Court of Appeal, and I, the High Court and Regional Tribunals. Article 142 here. Make a new album. Article 142. One no. Also, there shall be established in each region of Ghana such regional tribunals as the Chief Justice may determine. Not NDC chairman, not President Mahama. No the baako pe eka ho. Na mawie. Ni a na efe ba bom asem no to. Article 52. Tie. One no. Also, a panel member of a lower court or tribunal other than the person presiding A shall be appointed by the Chief Justice acting on the advice of the Judicial Council and in consultation with the relevant district assembly from among persons of high moral character and proven integrity. So the number my person. Nipa wo high moral proven character, moral special way society.
Legal background and I say
no, legal background. No, and no can be now. Or some can say either a lawyer.
No, two no dear is not supposed to have a legal, but one person in now Obama na
chief justice appointed no. Nti ono dey to be cry a judge. No abetirem. Na won aka no obetumi the lawyer baako ana ohene baako kra abetirem.
No, two no dear is not supposed to have a
no, I will read it to you. I will say may or not. May or may not. And also
okay.
So what I say, I mean, may you read that we are the mouth. I say may and I may not.
Okay.
And also a constitution. Now, many area. When you say murder case, Ghana, jury net international, non-lawyer can. So we could deal with no more international be brought at an obi on your lawyer can. Obi on law, a can be a would deal and more judging us them. Obi who deal with court to know young Ghana constitution and marriage so Obi community passy and then you community only put to me beside the judges and judge not or you'll be on Nimra. Yeah, Canada. And you don't turn NPP fly you will many more with Tribunal Wuchi. I am surprised. The reason why I say that constitutional and legal whatever the committee no your chair the NPP and say Dr. Alhaji Bawumia Sema Kano, His Excellency, former Vice President. No Sema Kano Mameti as say Dr. Bawumia and consulting members of Parliament, those on the committee, because report now what they call to Parliament now. What debate ya what to swaba na NPP for parliament 16 they voted on this issue report committee report no who say concluding part no who say report way was unanimously accepted and agreed by the committee so we can say unanimously accepted and now unanimous decision accepted then if say yen na whole Obi and was or abstaining, and would you too, and where the court plenary, and was no court Suaba, and people for a polo for head count, and the way 16, and then this for year 134 plus the first deputy speaker 135 according to Supreme Court judgment. Also say deputy speaker a chair or also to meet Waba, and people for any case in the court. It was also better in the year 135 against 16. We are now to about the way hand count. We are not being able to say, won't take that tribunal and say, no more pushing Dr. Alhaji Bawumia, His Excellency, the former Vice President. It's what me Gina Bonting non Casa. And many committee members who say,
no, Casa.
Many committee members at Tia Jumayiso, Wangako Giatum, no name Funo. We expose you or my exposure.
Okay. I was upon you, UJ a Constitutional Review Committee, no, AD.
Major Wendy.
So when it was 2010, they did same assessment. Ghana now almost pay a review, no report. And a tribunal, yeah, they say it should be, expunged. The same 2025, recently, and also the Omo year. I remember say 2010, friend is a committee, Professor Albert Kujo Fiajo on the chair, and at 2025 and so a year Professor H. Kwesi Prempe on also the chair, and these two committees in na the reports and a banner tribunal na oman form pe. Do you know the question is then why? It was happening. Why?
Okay, but that's it. And one answer now, why? Now, yeah, Mofra na ye could school say why has a long tail. I'll answer you. I will say, Yemma Ghana Funina Antias say, political party be a oba bengono. Who vote to man based on his manifesto. True or false?
You say manifesto promise.
A manifesto promise. And until then people for to be holding and say 24-hour economy now ya promise and yeah.
But then per the manifesto no 24-hour economy. What do you say about? Na market ewu. O manifesto na market ewu.
Yes.
Na market ewu.
Market ewu.
Really?
Market ewu.
24 somewhere established 24-hour economy market.
Market ewu.
Really?
24-hour economy no. ye kan e kase o enye so dia ye hu e broad
specifically mu indicate say mu be see market.
You see I mean cause me say e broad ye the 24-hour economy aba na say ye kan committee 24-hour economy a say yanka say company in bia our Ghana no ye be na 24-hour economy ye kan sa
It's a company, private as in private.
So private or government company, government institution.
Yeah. Juma be so 133.
Yes, and we want to implement it. Into Juma no para you first now 133.
No, because manifesto promise and to the best of knowledge, I mean, say one specifically indicates say you be see market.
Yeah. Then when you catch the Ghana for say you be implement it.
24 hour we say which wasn't market, so they may drive it at and say it could be so say a manifesto promise, but someone for the donor says empire
amount for the donor
that is the committee in here for no consult.
You see, let me tell you something. But some committee anything I make a choice say TUC no, because Ghana
I don't think it's a committee in the TUC pay and consult here and I'm a boy. Because most of the committee there'll be a town hall meeting or more be engaging, other stakeholders and all that. And then till the beginning, me say, do you believe in the report of the committee?
And I make a choice say me believe it. Me believe me can't just say me believe it. And I miss one manifesto Ghana for overwhelmingly they voted for us based on this manifesto. And this manifesto we stated that we are going to implement tribunals, 3 of us. Owe bisa e di come mpacho we yimano e wo na na enim mpacho e wo mu
25 economic policy
no oh me dey David miso
and manifesto
no of I maybe so paying kasa miso wo
mpacho me to kasa it is based on this manifesto ye bi shame say tribunals will definitely implement it.
Okay.
And Ghana Fuji tum and we overwhelmingly they give us 56.7%. And women people for 38%. A chain war by saying one can say 41, now can 9 pay, won't have 50. They told us. So they say, and you implementing, you be shame, and you might be shame in us, Obekaya, you will never be walk away and function, but you buy your baby if you want. And you manifesto them. Government to do be more, and you know under 24-hour economy, but abroad, because you say abroad. It is the marketing, you have been I remember my minister was OSP, Office of the Special Prosecutor, our constitution. The person no crowd made me am one case we beside our Adomako. Say OSP office, your office no, me office no, no designation no, our constitution no. And then MPP for implementing Ghana. No NDC for I say you challenge you or you catch you say nam so no the be prosecute no GM Ghana se ko bi a wabokro no you be support and you support the passing. Okay. Secondly, fast track court any constitution fast track court but former president Kufuor to me implementing and na chachuchi kata the court 2002 e ko win case no. When the Kufuor Australia or catch us on penny or buy over re-empanel the court and one that case in the theater chutikata will be a new machine and your court to the Kasai and now
what time so
the way I will interject
me time the time you ma will supply me so no the time in and so
it be more tough and never Ghana for the person in Chile must say Tribunal our constitution no MPP for any Dr. Alhaji Bawumia Akasai no when to be citing one crime this tribunal baba cause or harm but what we are trying to do and tell Ghanaians and say South you the tribunal now president and the judiciary and the chief of staff and chief justice and the bano mama yenye mo awirishem say obi biara wa fa Ghana sika young could try and 3-4 years because Ghana here is carried the developer. You scale ringo no, you be J. Will be biara until be a slow tribunal no, when you are but na ebeba.
Doc, Amame da say, me person me ready. Unsem radio. pen p ana bebia na ye de mra beba no ya na say bi enti the etechre enti ofa ebia act bi ana even the constitution obon say wa mount the object the main enti aye de sa mra na ye de eba bese me read bill no memorandum na ye free attorney general ho bae also the tribunal bill therefore my jump here for some point paragraph seeks to address
no
I mean that would be the paragraph I don't know about the 5th paragraph.
Okay.
Also the tribunal bill therefore seeks to address the lacuna in the legal framework of Ghana regarding tribunals. As part of measures to address this lacuna, the tribunal bill seeks to establish a clear constitutional and statutory basis for the operation of tribunals within the present democratic system, address the historical stigma associated with public tribunals by emphasizing the role of public tribunals in ensuring access to justice and protecting the rights of citizens, and to ensure the effective and efficient administration of justice, particularly in cases which require specialized adjudication or expeditious resolution. Abna bi to aso, but I hear no mbese ye hye neoma mienu bi anamiansa bi nso. O say abana jitum said there is a public and historical stigma against even the word tribunal and that system. Yeah, the 1992 constitution has made a provision as part of the court structure. Tribunal is one of them at the regional level, regional tribunal. And yes, circuit court, high court, any other. So as part of the chain, the constitution did not say we should have a whole act specifically tackle tribunal. It has already made a provision as part of the structure. So, and then the Attorney General also acknowledges that there's a stigma.
There has been a past precedent.
Yes. Man for one person on betting. Okay. Me atosi bi mo say opese ohwe na atentene e kontem na eye pepe. Eho no me pese ye hye no so say as we speak say obi akowie sika obi akum obi whatever the issue is. Ye omra hodo bibre ho a take care of every single actor emra etia bibia emra ntie bia de enye musu say yes aduane a wa meto say wo maame emuchi aso esiso no na say no we wachiwa de na mum ne oba ya menken ni bare ne ade a da bia mudi de eno no enti emra no constitution no all the various actor including even the other Rebecca said related agencies are establishing now. They are there to tackle some of these illegal acts and actions and inactions of people. Now, or say there's a backlog. A honone aseman kasano. And the question is, you say, na system here, Adentina yentimi emma se kwaku antwinya asem ana ba finya asem ana se eja kofi monkonya asem na the court say high court say appeal court whatever the court is whatever the court is no yentimi ma enyoman contentem e hono na say ho ehu answer no nye say ye be have ana be establish a whole act which will bring in any case the intention here na tribunal no or say obenya the power that is equal to that of a high court. Now the lower tribunal no so no are just like a circuit court. So in a way we have these courts in the system, that is the high court. The law, the legal framework of the country has stipulated clearly the jurisdiction. And whatever that we want to do with this tribunal is actually situated within the confines of High Court and the Circuit Court. Near Asia, Henia and say, Kwakunya, some no the qua, you beat me in tentem. You beat me in tentem, so as I see in ya, a year, I can't be. Enti as I say, court rooms na say complexes in this na ebi eno so a yen si bi bebre na dey emfanka ho afa apart from that ebia ye judges any clerks omo ye adwuma o judicial setup no nyina no ebia no nsusu a mo ma ye increase the number no apart from that ebi kra ka de kra na omo dey ye adwuma o say no the kind of crimes na dey ekoso no you're moving beyond say I so na easy now people are committing crimes they are highly sophisticated crimes and you need some kind of logistics any modern technology near there and you hold on focus on
to decode
those things and then it will fast track it. Oh, because they are saying about even your investigation crowd and only take care be 1 year. And I'm saying be a resources near one can they know and why near. Then what will be the essence of the tribunal? The tribunal also come and face as the same thing. Until hold on as a man as here. Now only ya na the Yaka Kran said there were MPs. NDC were MPs over 180 MPs. MPP were over 80. Edu baby abeha no anka ne yie mu pa na anka pese atiche kro no pa na boa oman no na yempunto kwa animu a edu baby esesenka wo party no bill na ede aba no efi eye aban ho na aba edu baby esenka mutumi ebo no mo sekire ka se we anya we emwa na onse ne no de ebi aye nya be no yodium ani age atum by chasem obon say no so no even the implementation so akade na making say we omko ho na kwa na entimi resource o ma afre na ye call the new way then there's even
resource
the existing ones because the issues now I mean Attorney General granted a lot of interviews na the concern back pa ne say backlogs. The backlogs there, say, I mean, then word comes in, and then you are appreciating the fact that even the word tribunal, no cry, no Ghana 40 there's a whole stigma. Now, what's the business of the government to say that I want to erase that stigma? I mean, there's no need for that, if you ask me. Okay. Now, what we need to do, they say Frank nya some of the kokota, obetimi nya pepper ye, na pepper ye no so ba e bantemen ko drag for years. Nya a pile of cases in ho. Enti no na say not to create or even bring in any actor. One here down be no na sika kra na yes the resource wo and
again after the tribunal even if you're not satisfied you have the right to appeal and not saying you know so
so we need to actually tackle the human resource they need more personnel. We have to give it to them. We need to spend on modern technology. We need to actually spend on their intellectual capital. I mean, intellectual development and all that. Now, logistical, ibiana, constraint biomobiano, and also any tackle. If we do all these, when we start working on these things, then we are actually solving the issues that this particular bill and act intends to even tackle. They refer to all the documents from the AG. The main issue is that there's a backlog, there's inefficiency, there's this and all that. The best way out is not to bring in this act.
Okay, Martin, that's it. President term limit saga, noted term. President Mahama assures. He said, "Best 4 months any NSI issue we say a chassis." One full video, one penny constitution, CDC, I think there's a technical way to be meaning says a 1 2 so the opposition party started as a woman hint and also means almost one penny person and call in a 30 year CCA. There is a cophobia or the Supreme Court, so we interpretation of the constitution. Say, there's a man paying the Bible to say, oh, Sassam the infant 20. On the term where they are man we better say we so recording can say discuss case closed case closed
may that say
do them so 2 3
minutes or 24-hour economic market no e we manifesto unless somebody prove me wrong. Inini Dr. J.
I will find
read it. I just go Google. Just wanted to be sure. So what you say? And me kura na me deba.
Online.
Yes.
Online.
Good.
But the manifesto is here.
Any member.
What reading in the
We are on your mama kama seminar. On you maybe can't say be wa. Na now be some say non-lawyers and our lawyers issue and I'm say constitution article 142C 1C no also such members who may or may not be lawyers as shall be designated by the Chief Justice to sit as panel members of regional tribunals.
Okay.
It's there. To me for lawyer and to me decide say for non-lawyers. Then we need good reputation. Area. I've cured that.
When it comes to criminal cases, intention and act no our jury system no under a reasonable circumstance will a reasonable person do or act the same way now where they work and the judge is actually his work is supported by the jury about one person a number of people of reasonable
people of a sound mind,
and then also almost level no because phobia or no be a high you don't hear obey the disregard whatever that and we bring them in to just let them tell us almost in this given circumstance would you have acted the same way? So that is what I want
to say. And constitutional review constitutional review a report no the no it's not sacrosanct and your constitutional president issue white paper was real on the qua and on the and I become parliament we are to me na into all the president Becker's way.
I think that 2010 the president issue white paper.
And now president buy one material will be buy one material into your so 8 years.
No, but what can see is a president issue white paper.
No,
that's a yes, I revisit be one.
No, buy also be a human 8 years. You are Adomako couldn't name for 2 weeks. When I it's my tiasi.
And so when what happened on the addresses are issues, so my pay and there was
1 minute, make 1 minute, Jeff himself. Make beyond 1 minute, Jeff himself. And they say president and Kasa first time for Kasa Wabruchi, Amanoni. No catcher say we need 30 Biako. Now they are what they are man 4 years to focus on why you say Jumano. And which in Wabekasa was sorry them. And which in Waka, but in Nipa, every shade Kutupa, maybe I whatever I say, no other sector, AMP people. Minimum, after the markets, parliament
or the court also here interpretation.
I know the other day, now we are watching, no, now we are watching miracle. Edward Abwaji. Nebua. You, Ofilate. Nebua. Watching on a day the general secretary of MPP Kokan.
Okay, they.
Oh, say, Nientia Warren Chirna, Abrantin, where you're signing, Nina, say, President, no tete. You have the video here.
Okay.
It's a new piece of we don't need a tete, say, your Mama Gama, President to sign yet. Don't castle.
And then we rock. Papa. Say, me this year. Kutua champion you kuno, a free fire you kuno, and no makano, if free me trimuda. You said it at leisure, and you say Okuma Kufu, and into Okuma Kufunti. I say, and Hano, Ukomi. Number 2, and yet no credit that say MPP for support too. Yes, a year by constitution, Oko parliamentia, constitutional, a committee, no, a year, opposition. But when we are the buyer, they walked out. any channel is a figment of your imagination. The entire man for you nearly say President Mama and no asem or opposition was it identity and a kufuado. What far more saying judges Ako Supreme Court. Until there should be ceiling or can't transfer so about the Ghana for beginning home, and then they are more than 21. Until you but I'm highly disappointed. Say me ukromi and how jump at Tribunal brand. But Obama look. Me inkrata me swache any akofa online yi wo kata ni I've already repeated that for mo fanto resetting Ghana jobs accountability and prosperity NDC 2024 manifesto and page 22 and the south page 23 the bien wo market the atosum one policy document
look at this.
their policy document they don't read any 24-hour economy they never mention market anywhere no akọ transit mo dey true pa dey nyame mo nyame bo ba ma member say we say so no many e to am say na bre so dey di kan enya people for the kokai asofo ni bi shase kenkan and the copy parliament e wana o say ayarga say ebedu na ni di obepene so na say e betra say yaman yesem me say after 15 years no gira homa no kre near the kate yani na MPP for the okay MPP for the ya kan hin ayarga ya MPP ni oba man o dia no to nchen ya ase edu nkatia ade ba ko di say Victor Fifi Kote they also came out MPP ni yamba takinkan chemie one also buy na econo they condemn it because Fifi or saying a seedun ketia or interest and no that the rate abeto ani mama ntemi o dia no to nchen ya kinia ya kubie wa mesem esamika e ma ne ntiase ni say o say manifesto meboa manifesto no dia no best syndrome mo kan no page 109 mo nyei LPG gas mo ka se beto so aba from mo nyei mo kan se enkania bo no susu no e baba from na nyabotre mo kan se mo ba or the say anyama ye ton cashew tomatoes in the maniama you promote access to market mo nyei mo kan se mo be see or the say ya dwaye e dia ma school bia organ bia mama ya no ebu yensa wo mo tunya baby eno mo anye eye pay 115 15 mo kan se mo ba mo kan ko and uncle abusabani ya di kuri ha e chat drop o manifesto you are running na Dama he won the election 2024 because na 8 years no kwa na ebe to aba no nwo mu nim di paponisem e di boni omu di ya and na omo hu oba o the money center mawuya oba mo fuma fa you see does he have the credibility to come here
so nim say me the mentesa
o te sapa o manifesto kwa we de na jaba ko fa
ya mi abusu apenyi meni nje de mo
ya abusu apenyi ya ni
do kasa abusu apenyi abusu apenyi o fire
abusu apenyi abade
do kasa so na your time now
o say apenyi ma me se afem mamra na de adwuma the constitution says that a president should have 4 years in a term. We are betting asan ko bako account na 2 terms. Sisi e kese yense san constitution no de. Eni kwan so obi a dwen aba so obi ba be ko term. Na on se bia ene no e na e bia de president Mahama eye no wani je hu. Se o man another term na ne oye no wani nye hu a odo sibisi ukatrama so. Beyond that, no, it's not about President Mahama. NSA. As a country, ye per se ye nya a constitution a ebekase oni pebi ebetimi akọ 3 terms ana ye prem ade obi na ye nunu ye na akase o ene ye mani panenko ye 3 term. on I say you be show no. Do you want 3 terms, 4 terms for one person? Na se nipa ne ba na se bio enyuma a wo die ne nkoyie. Ade a ebo man for metwe man kwa eche ni ade a na o transfer 3 terms 4 terms a eno so e beka ho asem se
okay
nti mayen hwe ne yen hwe o man da ache no se yenya na yagitum se 4 years ni so yen increase ni nko 5 that's fine yen increase ni nko 8 utwa 8 straight away a wawie and eno no e be term na afimu ye be ma 8 straight 8 years. Okay. Now it we say di hon komo.
Okay.
Na enko say President Mahama ho honti NDC fo nya parliament members. Ebeka so yensa constitution na yema President Mahama nko tete. Ochina no ebia na enye President Mahama na emu different person. Na obe na sa different person nso no okọ tete na emfa sebe emfa so ma o man so nti na se
me da se pa busuafo nti ha se ne edi nkomodie ni nyina esie ye bre no ko mu tama mu me wo busuafo
ni ha di chapter manifesto NDC manifesto